Hello students, welcome to another in our Investigating Science series. Today we are in grade 4 looking at plants. Now if you should go on the outside, you will see many plants around you, and those plants have leaves. Have you ever checked to see how these leaves are shaped, their sizes, their colors? Well, that's what we're going to do today. We are going to have fun with leaves. So what I want you to do is to quickly grab a leaf from a plant from either around your home or around your school, and let us have fun with leaves. Now if you look at the leaves on my table, you will see that some are big, some are very tiny and has multiple leaves on this particular branch, right? Some are colored. What color is this? This looks a bit like burgundy, if you know that color. What about this color? What color is that? This would look like purple, if you agree with me. Of course, most leaves that we know of would be green. Some other leaves can be multicolored. Can you pick up the colors in this leaf? What can you see? We have pink and green. Yes? Okay. What about this leaf? What colors can you see in this leaf? We have green and we also have yellow. Now, I'm going to ask you to form groups with these leaves. How could we group these leaves? Should we go based on their color? So we put all the colored ones into one group and the ones that are green into another group? How else could we group them? Okay, yes, we could group them based on size. So here we have some very tiny leaves. This is another one that's not so tiny, but of course it has multiple colors, white and green. So we could group them based on size. So this is very tiny. This is small. All right, and of course this would be large. How else could we group these leaves? Oh yes, we could group them based on their shapes. All right, so let's see if we can determine what are the shapes of these leaves. What would you say about the shape of this leaf? It's shaped like a heart. Okay, so this one is heart-shaped. All right, what about this leaf? What do you notice about it? It's very long and thin compared to this leaf that is also long but not as thin. Now what kind of shape could we give to this particular leaf? We could possibly say that it is, I'm going to use the term oblong or oval shaped. All right, good. So most of these leaves would have that particular shape, oval shape. Of course, we said that some are heart shaped, and you can look around and see what other shapes of leaves that you have in your surroundings. Now, what are the importance of leaves? Why do we need them? Why do plants need leaves? Have you ever seen a plant without leaves? Okay, leaves help the plant to produce food. Do you know how this is done? Well, leaves would use the water that is coming from the roots and carbon dioxide from the air and use that to make food for the plants. So leaves are very important. Now, what we're going to do now is have some fun with leaves. How can we do that? We are going to do what we call a leaf print. how do you do a leaf print? Well, you take a leaf, like one of these leaves here, you place it underneath a blank paper, and how do you think we're going to get our leaf print? We are basically going to be using our pencil and shading over our leaf onto the paper. Now you can create many different designs. Those of you who are artistic can come up with different designs, put different leaves on the paper, different shapes. Alright, I'm not as artistic, but trying something here. So you basically rub. Yes, if you have crayons, yes, it works. It works well with different colored crayons. Right, so you use your crayons and rub along the surface of the leaf over the on the paper. All right, and you will produce different shapes, different patterns, and you will have your leaf print. All right. Now, when you have done that, you can put your leaf print on your wall, all right, with the help of your parents, so that it can be displayed. So I would have already gone ahead and done some leaf prints for you. So using this leaf, this is the pattern that we would get. So try this at home, showing art and fun with leaves. That's all we have for today. See you next time on Investigating Science.